Yeah. Yo. What's good, y'all? How y'all living? How y'all doing? Yeah. Look, I just wanted to come on here real quick to let y'all know that nobody is doing for you. Nobody. You can only bet on yourself. Don't rely on anybody to do squat for you, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to have more willpower to keep you afloat than yourself. And if you don't do it for yourself, then nobody else is gonna do it for you, chief. That's the way of the land, dog. That's the way of the land. And I hate when people sit around and wait for people to do things for them. Just wait. Nah, man. You gotta do shit for you. You gotta do it on your own. You don't know how to do it? Figure it out. So, I say that because I see too many people out here relying on other people to get work done for them. Getting work done for you, bruh. But if that person leave, do you know how to do it on your own? No? Now you looking slump. Now what you gonna do? Now you looking crazy. You don't know what to do. Now you gotta find someone else to do the job for you. Nah, bruh. With me, man, anything I do, I figure it out on my own. I figure everything out on my own. I figured out how to produce. I figured out how to write songs, structure songs, how to engineer my music, master my music, edit music videos, use a camera, film, build my sites, learn how to do Photoshop so I can make merch and logos for myself. I learned it all on my own. Now, granted, I might not be the best at every single one of those things, but I know enough to get by. I do. So, do you? Do you know how to do that? Do you? If not, then you might want to figure some things out. It's all about learning new trades, man. It's all about learning skills that will make you more valuable. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become. It is exquisite. Yes, crafty. But yeah, man, you gotta figure that out, because nobody is gonna do shit for you. So it's that's the thing, man. That's the thing. And I look at it as that should be your motivation. We always got to strive to become better. We always got to strive to become greater. And if you're not striving to become greater, then what are you doing? Sitting in the crib with your winky in your hand? Yeah, bruh. Well, that's how it is. What else you gonna do about it? Are you gonna do anything about it? Because if not, then you're just utterly wasting your time. So with that, I always remind myself, because I became in that realm, waiting for people to do things for me. constantly waiting. Yeah. Got a manager now. He can get me shows. Yeah, that failed. Booking agent now. He can give me more shows. That failed. You know, I got a label executive's phone number in email. I keep hitting him up. I'll wait for him to reply. To reply to what? The back of my buns? Haha. Nope. He got his own thing going on. Why he worried about you? Why anybody should be worried about you? Why? Because you the hottest thing on the block? Yeah. So is the other 3 million people around here. Everybody's the hottest thing on the block. So why should you be waiting for someone to do something for you? Nobody's not gonna do anything, especially if you're not giving them money. Especially if you're not giving them money. If they're not related to you, if they're not a close friend, it's a waste of time. This goes back into my whole networking ordeal. Or not really ordeal, but my networking episode for my podcast. You don't got nothing to offer, Chief. What, music that's hot? Okay. Look, man, I'm just letting you know. This is how it is. This is the way it works. This is the world. So you got to make something for yourself and stop trying to get other people to make something for you. Do it on your own. Because when you make it on your own, when that money comes in, it tastes that much sweeter. That's why I call it the nectar. That's why me and my homies call it the nectar. Because when you make it and you get it all, the nectar is sweet. Very sweet. Tasty. Yup. Show is. Tasty. So, that's what I say, man. You gotta make it happen. You gotta do it. Stop messing around with all these people. These people ain't gonna do shit for you. Nothing. Zouch. They don't care. They don't care about you. But you know who cares about you? You. So, what you gonna do about it? You gonna make it happen? Or you gonna sit back with your winky in your hand? Are you? Ooh. Oh man, I'm wildin'. But look, man. I'm just saying, man, like, look, you just gotta make this happen, bruh. Like, yeah, you have to make it happen. Because if you don't make it happen, nobody else will. I can't stress it enough. You know? Learn more, read more, exercise. I know I'm not the most built guy, but I hit the gym. You know? I'm not trying to become a professional weightlifter or anything. Get right, man. Get your focus right. It's like I said, if you want it, then go out and get it, because at the end of the day, nobody else is gonna do it for you. And that's my little rant for the day. Yo, man, look, y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Donnell Torres, man. If y'all like my videos, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all have any, topic y'all want me to talk about, hit me in the comments, man. And as always, stay true, stay heard. I'm out.